Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm doing an all day clean with me. So I'm starting by putting some light in my kitchen, and in this part I'm going to do another video where I'm showing you the night part of the house. So it's something that I ordered from Amazon and it's super nice. I can tell you guys, because the part 2 of the video will come. It's gonna be the next video. So my steamer, I had a Shack steamer but it stopped working, so I found this one on Amazon. And the thing I like about it the most, there's a lot of things I can do that I couldn't do with the Shark. So I can like clean my garment and then do a lot of stuff with it. Moving on to my living room, I'm putting a blind because as you can see there's a lot of cars that pass by. I had it from Walmart and they were so cheap. I paid like $15, 15.47 for one, so it's okay. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. So don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be the first to know. And I want to say a big thank you to Bernard that made my logo, as you can see in the bottom of my video. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope my video motivates you. Get up and get some cleaning done. It's Easter time, guys, so I'll let the music play. I hope you guys enjoy it. Keep on watching. Most of the stuff that I'm using are things I already have at the house. I just move them left to right and just pass it off a little bit. And those pillow, I get them from Shane, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box down below for you guys. You can check it out. So I always mix my high and low just to make it work. Always mix it work. That's what Mercy Beauty of Styles is all about. There's a beauty in everything. Okay guys, keep on watching. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up. And I really like the way it turns out. And the vibe says welcome. And from the time you step in until you get out, it's really nice, cozy, and I really like it. So I hope my video inspire you to get some cleaning done today. Okay guys, so be on lookout for the next part because part 2 is fire. Okay guys, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, don't leave without subscribing. the it's a summer slash Easter cleaning, so that's why I have my sunflowers and all my yellow, pink, purple going on right now. I'm so in love with it. So guys, thank you for taking your time watching my video. Keep watching. Thank you so much for taking your time watching my video, guys. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the part 2. Bye.